is hashtag power.
With a great power.
Good evening, everyone. For me, power is... Good evening, everyone. For me, power is not dominance. It is influence and responsibility. When I say influence and responsibility, it comes with the main thing that you need for power is that you have to influence those people that are around you, as well as you have the responsibility to also help them be better. And I believe that when we rise, we should rise all together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karen.